Got the box here, Friday Parts. This is a cover that will cover my controls from my machine. So this is a super thick, so it's kind of it's a real rubbery material. Looks like it has really nice stitching on it. Nice Velcro, so it's a kind of like a tool-free. And then to open that up, it just has a nice zipper here, and the zipper is also covered. Nice big zipper. You usually had to open that with gloves on. You could definitely do that. Inside lining, it's more of like a smoother material than the outside. Heavy-duty PVC coated fabric, water resistant. It's definitely designed for the outdoors. And yeah, first impressions, it's definitely a really nice product. Machine here, got my cover. Show you just how fast this thing goes on. Back it goes over the top of the controls. So we see here, there's this little flap, goes through the bars there, comes down, belt goes to one side, and belt goes to the other side. That is it, that is done. 20 seconds and we're finished. So you open that up, see here, it just folds over the back, and you got this just perfect room, enough room, doesn't interfere with the controls. Control panel here now is covered, and yeah, just a Velcro on there is tool free. Really like that, nice and easy. And one of the reasons I wanted to put this on here, so on the cover, you get good coverage on the sides. The back is definitely sunproof, windproof, not going to blow off. It's waterproof, nice and snowproof. So that stuff can just sit there. Yeah, really like it, and super easy to install. All right, guys, well, that was definitely a very easy install on this machine here. I went on a Friday Parts, and they have lots of other parts for machines and parts for my machine, and the controls in there, they're affordable, but they're still kind of expensive, and it is a lot cheaper to put one of these covers on than keep buying controls and switches and knobs.
Friday Parts, fix it once, fix it right.